Have you ever clicked on a website and left within seconds because something just fell off? First impressions online happen in less than a heartbeat. People decide almost instantly whether to stay or leave. That's why building web design skills step by step is so powerful. Let's take a look at a roadmap that gives you a clear path. From mastering fundamentals to creating portfolio projects that show you're ready for real opportunities. Web design is about looks and how people experience the web. Learning web design gives you the ability to create websites that look professional, communicate clearly, and keep people engaged. And there's strong demand for these skills. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, jobs for web developers and digital designers are projected to grow much faster than average. That growth highlights just how important these abilities are in today's digital world. A step-by-step approach gives you clarity and direction. You'll start with the fundamentals, building an understanding of design principles and the basics of the web. Next, you'll add the core tools and front-end coding that makes your ideas functional. From there, you'll move into professional systems and workflows, discovering the areas of design that interest you most. Finally, you'll create portfolio projects that bring everything together and demonstrate your abilities. Now that you've seen the big picture of the learning path, let's take a closer look at each phase. Let's walk through each one so you can see how to move from getting started to building work you can share. Phase 1, fundamentals. Every skill in web design builds on a strong foundation. This first phase is where you train both your eyes and your hands. You'll explore design principles like alignment, contrast, color, typography, and spacing, the ingredients that make a page feel balanced and professional. At the same time, you'll learn the basics of HTML and CSS, the building blocks of the web. A simple but powerful exercise is to recreate a basic landing page using just HTML and CSS. The goal isn't perfection. It's to connect design concepts with code so you start thinking like a designer from day one. Once you've practiced the fundamentals, you're ready to bring your ideas to life with professional tools. Phase 2, core tools and front-end skills. This stage is where web design starts to feel real. Tools like Figma and Adobe XD become your sketchbook. You can try layouts, test colors, and experiment with typography before writing a line of code. On the coding side, you can explore CSS with Flexbox and Grid to create layouts that adapt across devices. Adding a little JavaScript introduces interactivity, making your sites more engaging. The milestone here is building a small, multi-page responsive site that works on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. That project shows you can design something practical, not just experimental. With the core tools in hand, the next step is learning how to work efficiently and professionally. Phase 3, systems, workflow, and specialization. At this stage, you shift from building in isolation to working like a professional. Frameworks like Tailwind or Bootstrap help you create faster with ready-made components. GitHub becomes essential for managing your projects and showing your work publicly. You'll also explore UX basics, things like user flows, wireframes, and accessibility, so your designs are not only attractive, but easy to use. This is also the time to experiment with specialization. Some learners are drawn to polished animations, others to data-heavy dashboards, or to building clean, functional sites for small businesses. Finding a focus can help you stand out. A great project here is to take an existing website and redesign it. Focus on improving usability, modernizing the design, or making it more mobile-friendly. Documenting your choices is as valuable as the finished product. By now, you're ready to pull everything together and showcase your skills. Phase 4, portfolio and proof of competence. This final stage is about proof. Skills are valuable, but opportunities come when you can demonstrate what you've built. Aim to create 3 to 5 projects that highlight your range. Perhaps an online store, a blog, a landing page, or a redesign of a business site. Your portfolio site itself should be one of your best projects. Treat it as your digital handshake. It's the place where potential clients, employers, or collaborators see what you can do. And don't just show screenshots. Share your process, the problems you identified, the design decisions you made, and the results those choices produced. When you finish this stage, you'll not only have learned web design, you'll have visible proof of your abilities. We started with the idea that people make decisions about a website in just a heartbeat. Now you've seen the roadmap for building the skills that make those first impressions count. The path is clear. Begin with fundamentals, add tools and coding, practice professional workflows, and bring it all together in portfolio projects. Following these steps means you're not just learning skills in isolation, you're building toward proof of what you can do. The best way to start is small. Create one simple page with HTML and CSS this week. That first project will give you momentum and show you that you can move from theory into practice. So, what's your next move? If you start this learning path today, where do you think you'll be in 30 days? Learning design basics, writing your first code, or filling in the gaps? Comment below and let us know. We love seeing people map out their goals. And if you found this roadmap helpful, Subscribe for more learning paths and explorations of specific skills. Each new step builds on the last, and together we'll keep moving forward.